Although tennis may seem like a very simple sport at first, there are numerous physics concepts hidden within the game. In this video, we will be displaying some of the many concepts that are involved in the sport, such as rotation, friction, Newton's first law of motion, projectiles, and free fall motions.
The serve is arguably the most important stroke in tennis. 50% of all points start with the serve. The serve is initiated by tossing the ball. When the ball is tossed, it is a projectile, as the only force acting on it after it is released is the force of gravity. As soon as the ball reaches its maximum height, it free falls with an acceleration of around 9.8 meters per second squared.
Another physics concept demonstrated in the sport of tennis is Newton's first law of motion. Here Atharva hits a great shot that I was unable to return. The ball hits the curtain and comes to a rest. From there, the ball doesn't move, as an object at rest tends to stay at rest unless acted upon by an outside force according to Newton's first law. There are numerous habits in mind displayed in the sport of tennis. One of these is persistence. Over here we can see Atharva persisting to the point, which makes him win the point. In tennis, you can persist to a point by staying focused, not giving up, and keeping the ball in play. Doing all of these can help you win the point, as Atharva does over here.
Friction can often be seen on the tennis court as the ball rolls many times and comes to a stop when the point ends. Here we can see the force of friction, or the resistance that one surface or object encounters when moving over another. This causes the ball to come to a rest. When an object turns around an internal axis, the motion is called rotation or spin. Here, by slicing the ball, I have caused it to have underspin. In other words, the ball rotates in an anti-clockwise direction.
We hope all of you enjoyed our video and learned how friction, rotation, projectiles, and Newton's first law all play a role in the sport of tennis.